Well, it seems like I've been placed in Seagull's related channels. I have learned from you and I will become a better Genji. Patch notes. God damn, it's bullshit though. Like the guy who copyright striked me, it's just fucking Polish. Guys, that's why I want to invade Poland, only to attack that guy.
Oh shit.
Fuck Poland.
I hear that Poland is a pretty invadable country.
Oh yeah? It's a
Yeah, it's been done.
invade rate.
It's been done, yeah.
I should give it a go.
It should.
Hey, so what's the drinking age in Australia? 18?
Yep.
Bro, wait, how old are you?
Oh, come on now.
Are you? Tell me.
Don't do this to me.
Don't tell me. Tell
You
me.
didn't ask for your
Oh
last
jeez,
name.
I'm just a little boy.
No, say it. Say it.
You didn't
You
ask
guess.
for your last name.
You guess.
I know that you're... Okay, I'm gonna guess. Not,
Mike.
I'm gonna guess 20.
Thank
I'm gonna
God.
guess 20.
How old are you?
Was I right? I'm 19.
Okay, what? I'm older than you?
Yeah.
Okay. Youngin.
How? Oh, so you... Are you
How
20?
old are you, old man?
Yeah, I'm 20.
Get back here.
Fuck
Get-
you, man.
You are not...
Not like this, man.
No!
It's just
Let
not
me
fair.
reload real quick.
Not this again. You did this to me when I was Lucio. Oh,
Yes!
piece of shit.
Okay,
I'm shaking my ass for you, Brad.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Shake for Brad.
Oh, the Koreans. Oh God!
have you gotten like the last like 4?
Yeah, maybe.
What is this? Oh, this is where you saved me. Wait, I'm fucking dead.
Sword fighting.
I honestly...
The best part about the YouTube thing was the alcohol at the end. Got a little bit tipsy, but it's fine.
Really? You got alcohol at the YouTube office?
Yeah, and there was like school kids here as well, like 2 of them. So, YouTube promotes underage drinking.
That's
Wait,
funny.
YouTube was getting
What
school
type of
kids
alcohol?
drunk in Australia? That's amazing.
New drama alert.
Yeah.
It's a new community
Hit up
guideline.
Keemstar.
All fucking videos must be tipsy at least. I will be Seagull's apprentice.
Me too.
Thanks.
We got matched against him.
Against Seagull?
Yes, we did.
Of course you can, because you're American! What do I get matched against? Oh look, a professional Australian player.
Music.
Piece of shit! Yos!
Yosh.
Mata mata.
Amada Mada. Oh, we both have that?
Yeah, man.
Oh no.
Oh no, run! Run, Salty!
Oh!
Why would you die on me,
I
man?
pressed E instead of shift.
Oh, yep. I'm gonna deflect this explosion. You gotta become Seagull's apprentice, not some fucking noob.
It's true.
That was way too easy.
Got her.
Play the game to Salty Fish, that's for sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man.
I don't think
Seagull's
I got it
apprentice,
that
here he
time.
comes.
Damn it!
Oh! Come on. This better be good.
Bose is a god, alright? Let's be real.
Zenyatta is Genji's master.
Okay, there's a Genji kill.
Oh,
There's another Genji
he's sending
kill.
out the Genjis.
But there were 3 Genji kills in that one play! Why was that not me?
I didn't die that whole game.
Oh fuck, it's time.
Yo,
I
let
must-
me inside.
Alright, then I gotta leave this thing. Oh, wait, hold up, I got a loot box. Oh my god.
Oh, I did too, I did too.
I wanna get a bastion.
too.
Come on.
Me
Get
four.
out, get out, get out, leave. Wait,
That's a mercy, piece of shit.
Respect
Okay,
for your
Sam,
fallen
you don't have
beings.
any
Come back.
idea who he is, do you?
Who's?
Oh, Salty Fish.
I don't. Oh, Jesus! You ask questions like a fucking retard. You just say who. I'd say I've watched one video.
Where?
You didn't even know who he was, Jody. You can't
I'm
talk
sorry.
shit.
I do now.
Oh yeah, so Jody, come over here, take a look at this.
Where are you?
The Genji dab.
Yeah, we're gonna do the Genji dab.
Um.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Dab
what is
it.
the Genji dab? How did you do that?
You say hello, and he does.
You're
the
dabbing,
Genji
boy.
dab. Oh.
Wait, was I doing it?
Yeah.
The dabbing short.
Cut the dab. Cut the dab.
Just everyone go Genji and just dab at the start, and then we'll just pick whatever.
Right.
Oh wow, that was actually on Genji.
A dab circle.
Like the game knew.
The game knew what
Dab
you needed
that
to
city,
do.
bitch.
Why did I not know about this until now?
We discovered it accidentally the other day.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh my god.
Dab with me.
Right, now we're just going Genji only this round.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Just everyone you kill, just dab
three
them.
of us look exactly the same. All right, Ham. We'll be the
That's
the
racist.
Japanese. We'll be the Japanese. We'll be the Olympic team.
Olympic squad.
I'm still gonna be
Olympic squad.
Seagull's apprentice because I'm young, get it? And you're green. Wait, you're like me but older, Salty.
It's true.
Dab squad, go!
Dab, dab.
Wrecked.
Jab hard enough.
Oh wow, the lag is.
Yep, now
Oh,
you know my
no.
problem.
Oh no.
Oh.
My shurikens are just disappearing.
Dab their corpses.
Yo.
Dab.
Monkey on my head.
Dab him to death.
Get the mate.
Haram.
Oh god. Oh, Nestle.
I don't know how to game.
Woo!
Damn.
Dab him!
Fucking sliced her.
Alright, so what does it look like?
Are we raiding anyone
Oh,
tonight?
no.
I'm ready
There's
to
a
dab.
bloody good
I'm
chance of doing it.
Ready? I know you're... My blade is ready to dab. And dab becomes me!
Oh, I'm in a bad place.
No, mate.
Mentally
Don't do it.
or physically?
Both right now.
We need to heal him.
Enemy Genji.
I don't know.
No, my payload's our healer.
That's my teammate.
Take him down.
Got him.
Okay.
Woo! What's your emote,
got it.
Salty? Your emote better be the same as mine. Challenge me.
It's just, I haven't
Oh, no.
found one yet.
Nestle, come here.
No, that's because I was hungry.
Dab.
There's a difference.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
I'm ready to dab.
My dab is ready to be unleashed.
Do it! Let the dab become you. Oh, no.
God. Counter him with more dabs.
What?
More dabs! He's down.
So much lag that I dashed into May, but I still died by the monkey.
Did you just steal my play of the game?
I fucking did, bruh!
We're doing it! Just keep on dabbing.
Dab, dab, city, bitch. That's what that's.
Oh, yes.
There we go.
Team
Yo.
dab.
Team dab.
Hopefully
hey.
Mercy is not close, because she can just end our lives right there. She is.
Get it!
Kill! We did it.
That's it. I am on fire.
Mate just fucking queefed.
Oh, god damn it, mate.
Jeez.
Ready? We're gonna fuck her up when she's
Dude, I don't need your help.
going.
Dab! Woo!
Yeah,
That
whoa.
is my play.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Dab. Dab.
Thank you.
Dab.
There we go.
Ah, Seagull's apprentice. Well done.
Get this.
Oh.
I have the sexiest sword.
Come on,
That was the
give it
best,
to
yeah.
me. Whoop, whoop.
Son of a fucking bitch!
Dude, you know it.
What the fuck?
I was almost dead.
There's no dab. It doesn't count.
Oh shit.
You don't dab, it's not really a play.
Oh no. Come on. I was gonna.
No, no.
Oh,
Can't
Whoa.
upvote
No
you
dab.
now. Can't
I'm
upvote
angry.
you.
I'm
Come on,
angry.
mate.
slow down.
Now hold on there.
It's got a meth addiction as well.
Well, we weren't supposed to say that.
I just wanted to play the game, guys. Hold down. Hold.
Hold down.
Now hold down now.
Now hold
dab
it down.
on now.
Yeah, there is.
That
Come
Bastion
here, cunt.
is very
I saw
disappointing.
that. I saw that Bastion.
Every time a Bastion does that, I cry inside.
Oh!
I can properly dab.
I was sucked into it and then I escaped somehow.
I can't dab with my sword out. All right, fuck it. Help me out.
Damn, they need to put Cassie Freeman's tracksuit in. The true Australian pride.
Go fast.
Thank you, man. That is what I need out of a Lucio. Oh no, I didn't
Oh
kill
my
him.
God.
Thank
We
you.
got him.
We got him. Yes.
We.
Reckon they'll see me.
We. No, I'm definitely gonna credit ya, boy. Boy. You need that Lucio that knows when to speed. That's the difference out of the Lucios.
Uh-oh.
And one that actually knows how to get the achievement, I believe.
Can you teach me the ways on how to get the pixel spray?
Dude, I wish I could tell you a proper way. I was just right-clicking every time I saw
How,
somebody.
how long did it take you to get it?
I
He
don't know if
was
you saw the video.
traumatized.
I don't know if you saw the video, but at the beginning of the video I was level 48 when
Yeah.
I like actually tried getting the achievement, and then at the end of the video I was level 96. So,
Oh shit.
All right, give me that. Thank you very much.
There we go. That was good.
Thank you.
You know who would kick in this game?
No.
You ever think about just like letting someone else how to play the game for once, Brad? You know,
No.
like
This is my thing.
Oh.
man.
You know what? I hope they fucking, the next skin, they give Genji a fucking butter knife instead of a sword. Then try and get play of the game.
I still will.
You want some butter?
I'm just in the kitchen just cutting some butter. Play of the game.
Epic.
Brad. Come now, let's
Damn
play
it.
soccer.
Oh. Give it. Give it
There
to
you
me.
go. There you go. Fucking go get it.
Wait, it actually becomes a ball?
Yeah.
But it like
But it
It
disappeared.
disappears. It
Go,
disappears.
give it to
after
me. So it
boink,
comes to your left?
boink, boink,
Give it to
boink.
me, Daddy.
Yeah.
No, come back! Good. Again.
It should hit the wall. Oh no. I had to buy so many fucking loot crates to get
comes the ball.
the Lucio highlight
it.
intro. It actually upset me how many.
Give me the ball.
Purchase.
I got it and I haven't spent any money.
What?
tilted.
Excuse me.
Nice
Excuse
No,
me.
Sam! Oh, come on!
Oh, you got that one.
I've
Wait.
spent a lot of money.
Do it again, do it again. I'm gonna punch you. Come on, Bastion.
Oh, I've got that one.
Yes.
It's such a good emote.
Oh,
Oh no.
I just wanted to drop my balls in some tea.
To
Try
be
to
honest,
get right one.
it's better than hearing Americans try to do
Quick,
Australians
guys.
and just be like, oh yeah, fucking put a shrimp on the barbie. Like,
Nah, it's prawn, mate.
it's a fucking prawn, eh?
Fucking hell.
Just like my girlfriend, she's a prawn.
Oh my god. Oh my
just
god,
gonna
it
show that off,
looks,
aren't
it
you?
looks so nice. It looks so nice. Is it bigger than the other pixel sprays?
It might be. It deserves to be.
I just feel it rubbing in my face right now. Ready for the
That was a
salty?
mistake.
Yes.
Hop!
I'm dead.
Nice.
Next! Why are you Genji as well? Gosh.
Well, I was Genji first, but
No,
that's
get out of here.
Well, I'm just gonna keep playing Genji.
You're just dancing on people's graves. I remember you
Damn
doing
it.
that to me, goddammit.
Watched Harambe walk into that room and murder your friends and you just stood there.
Put him down.
And now we murdered Harambe. It's called justice.
Yeah, but
What caused him
that's
to
what you're
lash
meant
out?
to do. It's the aim of the game.
We just had to trank him, man. I mean, put him down. Oh.
Tracking him's too easy. It needs to be permanent.
A permanent trank.
Permanent tranquility.
Also known as just a regular bullet.
Alright, I bet it's me or you, Sam. Come on.
I highly doubt it's me, considering I did nothing. I got a
Woo!
shotgun actually, so it might be that.
I'm ready. Please.
And you repair.
Yes! Here we go,
It
boy.
hurts.
God damn.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, yeah. I don't even have an ult. It's just pure skill. Look at...
You haven't got a kill yet.
What do you mean?
There's one.
Pure skill.
Dude, it's just pure skill.
Exactly.
You don't need to
Oh,
kill
help.
You
people
get
with
all
pure
the
skill.
Help me.
credit without
Brad,
doing
we
Help
got
me.
the same kills.
Yes. Oh.
Come on, Salty!
Do it.
Beat him.
I didn't upvote myself. I didn't. I didn't. I did.
Quick, leave so I can join.
Have you ever gotten it?
No.
Leave
Really?
so I can join.
Never.
Fucking-
Never.
Never.
What?
Fucking
Only in
Brad
custom
got it
games.
3 times in a
Dude,
row.
Americans are ruthless.
Yeah, I got it 3 times because the enemy was all like, "Oh, it's Silbrat."
Lucio looks weird when he like crouches and walks.
Oh,
What
yeah,
happens
no.
when I Does it look weird when I speed?
It's that boy.
Oh, this is honestly, that's
Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you, man. Watch. Just
What are you
boy.
gonna do,
If we just go.
Tranquil.
Look, it's wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
Did someone say wiggle, wiggle, wiggle?
Boy.
It's so edgy.
Salty, you alright
I
there?
do try to read chat. I made it easy.
Checking
for
out
you
the
to read.
scenery.
You're just smiling as
speaking of
well.
Also have to
Scenery.
read chat
Dude,
whenever someone
speaking of
calls me out on
scenery,
it.
yeah.
Oh my god.
I just
Just gotta-
can't stand it. Like
gotta-
you're
just
just
gotta-
smiling this whole time. Like
The show has a
Oh
lot
my
of
God.
variety to it.
it's just.
Oh, I got
What
the best
is
one. I got the
happening
best one.
here?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's the grand
Oh.
finale.
boy.
Oh.
Oh no, that ass!
Yes.
Oh my god, the
Lucio.
music!
Lucio.
Lucio's!
So wait, what was the map that you finally got it on?
This map.
Oh, this map?
It's my favorite map.
It's also
Do you
Brad's
like
favorite map,
the
if
outro?
you are. Yeah.
Hey, you know what I
I
mean?
think this map holds a very special place in both of our
Tell
hearts.
me if
It
you can hear
does.
this game audio now.
I mean, it's so pristine. It's just white.
I'm just gonna
everywhere.
play.
I'm
Okay.
I'm gonna be
What?
your dad now, Brad. I'll be
Yeah, I
your
fixed
dad.
it. I fixed it. Fuck.
Zildad.
I'm the Zildad.
Oh god, no.
Zildad time. Brad, let's get some buns.
It's so graceful.
Look
It's
at
like
him.
Tony Abbott. But
That's That's
Tony Abbott after he lets himself go.
that's Phil going Brett.
Tony Abbott when he eats too many onions.
Only Australian kids will get that reference.
By Reaper. Oh,
Oh, nice.
no!
No!
Do we have a healer?
Salty! Save me, Salty. Oh no!
Oh no! It's okay. This wall is saving us. One. There we go.
Oh, thank God. Okay, you ready, Salty?
Yeah. Oh.
I died to what? It's on to me? I had my
Nah,
tire out.
Someone died, didn't they? Oh no, no one died.
Woo!
Okay.
No, I
Thank you,
I
boy!
died, but that's because I had my tire running.
Wait, come in here. This is our town now.
Wow. Okay.
My land now.
Woo! Oh yeah. I'm just I can't get over the smile of Lucio.
Turn it up.
I don't see any pixel
They
skin.
fucked with the ball.
I mean spray. There is no pixel spray. That never happened.
the ball physics are fucked again.
No.
I'm coming.
I'm not prepared for this! Oh no.
What has happened?
Holy shit. Where are you, Salty? You saved me.
I'm on camera.
I was,
Hey, Lucio.
you're on camera.
I'm on camera. Yeah.
What? Oh, Jardy.
Yeah. Come over. Yeah.
I don't know if I can have both phones.
Just fuck the objective, man. Look at the fans.
Dude, this is
Look at
fine.
this.
Phil's holding.
We're
it
gonna
down.
do great.
What are you guys fucking doing?
With the camera nestle. Is there someone just jumping around the pillars?
I'm still healing.
Let me see if I
Nope. It is not
can do
hiding.
something in game.
That was
gonna run mine.
amazing, Sophie.
Bang.
Yeah, I think you're gonna respect him more after. I mean, your favorite is Lucio, right, Sam?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Nah, dude. I aspire to get that pixel spray. Might take me to like prestige level 300, but you know.
I just got a kill. Yes. Yes.
Yo.
Bad up my secret.
Why are you trying to
I'm
be
actually
Salty
Davis.
Fish's apprentice?
I mean,
Or am I? Because I play Lucy.
yeah, you're pretty much Salty Fish's apprentice. Mr. Metamine, aspiring salt.
I'd love to be able to play Lucio like
You
that.
want
Hey, buddy. Dab with me.
That's how you get tinnitus.
That's
Oh
how
wait,
you get tinnitus.
up here. Smile for me. I'll never get over that. Alright. Oh!
Alright, we're going in.
Yep.
I got fucking.
No, they dropped the fucking beat.
You get another high noon.
Stay over there.
Oh, baby boy. I got you, Salty. See, if I need to become the best Bastion, I need to learn how to play Genji. You ready?
Kill.
That's all I know.
Oh. Oh dear.
He wasn't watching! Oh god!
Oh my god, you just got sent down that hole.
I just got fucked. No!
I tried.
What? I didn't mean to press Q!
Oh my god, Brad.
Go, Brad, go, Brad, go.
I just saw that.
That is it. It's done. So much rage from
Right
that.
out of spawn. You did good.
I'm gonna just drink some water because I am so confident that I got to play the game.
Oh my god.
It's actually upsetting.
That's some good water.
It always is. I'm so upsetting.
No, well, there's been like 4 or 5 at this point.
There always is.
That's right, the Junkrat's just like, what's happening, man? 1 health. Easy.
for one health?
Oh, I'm just showing off. Like, Salty's here and I'm just like, I gotta play my utmost best. I'll
I
never
love
give
it
up.
when you were over. I got a bunch of Genji play the game.
Yeah.
And now it's switched around.
It's 2 Seagull apprentices. Just been watching his fucking videos. That's why we got better.
So you're saying if I watch the Lucio Impossible Challenge, I'll get better at Lucio?
I hope so. We're going in. We're going in. We're going in. No fear.
Are we
I
now?
love it. Team captain as well. Why am I lagging? No. No.
I've convinced all of my friends that Hanzo is just the worst, like, hero
Just
to
literally
play.
if the word
Oh,
Hanzo is
dude.
mentioned, just
Dude.
it's a class!
I'd love to see
spectate the other fucking damn
Jenkins
it.
versus Salty Fish's Hanzo.
Who is Jenkins?
He
oh,
is he loves Hanzo. He is
A bit too much.
It's literally
I don't-
his only played character.
They didn't see
You ready, Salty?
That's disgusting.
Yep.
If he switches to another character, he's joking.
We'll be like,
Oh,
hey,
no.
we need a tank. And he's like, cool, so I'm gonna stick with Hanzo.
I'm not gonna get play of the
take
game. God
lives.
damn it! I'm so disappointed in myself.
Holy crap. Oh yeah, there he is.
Guys, I
Hanzo,
actually hate this
17
map,
hours.
especially on attacking, so I'm so glad that we did that quickly.
Oh, what?
Oh,
This is
wow.
my favorite on
Back.
attack. All right, for once I'm not getting the play of the game.
Oh,
Thank
double
God.
gulps.
Oh,
Yeah.
50.
Look at that.
Good job.
Oh.
Poland 2.
Watch your swing.
Triggered.
Fucking
He's got the
America.
skin.
Oh look. Oh look. I
Go
had
Captain
multiple
America.
loot boxes.
Fuck.
Holy crap.
Nova Star, thanks for following
Speed boost.
It's so funny, you're just sort of advancing forward because of Lucio.
No, it's
a
literally
fast
that.
dude.
That's why I really want a good Lucio. You have to learn from him,
Let's see
Sam.
what I-
That's weird. The skirmish servers are American, and
Yeah.
the quick play is Australian.
This is where Salty rises.
Oh yeah, Salty, can you get over here? Come on now.
Oh, this is helpful.
Yeah, man. Come into
Hey,
the
I'm
corner
gonna
with
come
me.
chill over here.
Oh, bye.
I'm gonna fall.
Noise he makes.
Oh no.
Oh,
Don't
Ah,
come back.
I got you.
Salty!
Away.
Okay.
Oh, thank God. Yup.
Fly.
No.
Somebody meet me on the other side or else I'm gonna die. Quickly. Oh, okay.
Whew, saved by the black screen.
Ah!
Ah! Oh, this is Nestle's favorite map.
Yeah, it's where he lives. Because you're a superstar in my heart, Nestle.
See,
Just
it's
stay over
it's
there.
just good nature to
Take
do
it.
that, Salty. No, that's just rubbing it in my face now. I tell you about good nature, you straight away do that.
Force
Pretty
the
much what
video.
I'm seeing, Salty. Do it. 2.8 million views. That's all I'm seeing.
Germany man wants to know what colour is everyone on your videos.
Brad is the horrible fucking green text.
Yeah.
Green.
How would you not know that?
I'm red. Jordy is orange.
I thought you said you're
Johnny-
bread.
Yeah, dude, I'm bread. What is with you and bread? Honestly, are you addicted? Are
No.
you addicted to bread?
No, he just hears it and thinks, did someone
I'm
say my
addicted to
name?
you.
Just gets war flashbacks to Phil coming into his room.
Bread. Oh, Salty, they keep countering me.
I know.
Why?
Kill this Hanzo. No, I give up. I'm sorry.
He's a class! Okay, get ready. Just get ready.
No, I was counter.
I'm ready.
3,
I'm
2,
ready to press
1,
one.
go. I just need my play of the game!
No.
Give me the play of the game, Hanzo!
Oh my god.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god,
Oh,
oh god.
Brad. Oh, Brad. Oh, Brad.
No, come on, you bitch!
Oh my god.
Oh god!
Am I gonna walk out a door and get fucking eaten by this thing?
Oh, thank you, Salty boy! Oh, no, no, no! Just save everyone!
Come on, group up, group up, group up! Get him!
You sound
now.
stressed.
Get them. They go flying
Go
away
to
from us.
Zenyatta's Tranquility! 2 more minutes, lads. If Salty dies, we lose.
I'm almost ready.
Mimicry.
Got it in 3 seconds. Alright, I got it.
Alright, let's go.
Well, Brad, they don't have their Lucio, so you're
I
fine.
just don't want to die.
Oh my word.
Stay by me!
Oh, got him.
Oh,
Woo!
Woo!
Dab in it! Dab in it! Woo! Woo!
2.8.
Fuck you! Why does this happen to me?
Oh, Brad.
I look so disappointed. Hey guys.
Hi, guys.
Oh, the enemy team is a class.
Oh
I
yes!
saw that, that was fucked up.
I did not expect it, I swear.
Whatever.
Totally didn't.
Hey Salty!
Just standing still.
fuck.
Come here, Hanzo. I killed him,
You
don't worry.
proceed to spend the next 15
I killed that
seconds trying
fucking
to take out that
class.
Hanzo.
I think this is gonna be my last game before I get a loot box and go to bed.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so you're an EB.
I'm back, Salty, it's alright.
Yeah,
That's
I was
JB
talking to
Welcome.
this chick
Yeah.
Top
about
hazard.
Overwatch, and she's like, oh yeah, I played it a little bit, don't really play it, I like watching videos on YouTube. I was like, oh, who do you watch? And she just like rattled off this name, and she's like, oh yeah, I recently found this guy Zilbrad. I was like, wait, what? I just played it all cool and shit. I was like, oh yeah, I know Zilbrad, yeah, he's got some good videos. and
Wait,
stuff."
what?
Right.
Yeah. And I didn't want to say that like, oh yeah, I play games with Zilbrad. I was just like, oh cool.
Oh, that's way more subtle than when I did it.
Wait, what did you do?
I went to EB and this guy was talking to us. He's like, yeah, I like talking about Overwatch. I'm like, say, do you know a guy named Zilbrad?
I'm his bitch.
Yeah, pretty much. And then, yeah, that's yeah.
You're moving my head, Salty!
With my town.
Please! No!
You live in
Let's
fucking
go.
no-
All right, let's just go into them. All right, who's ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it.
No! Loads of them! That was me saying
Oh,
salty.
there's a
Ooh,
Bastion
Bastion.
behind us.
Where?
By the way.
He's not shooting at me for some reason.
Where is he? Where is he?
Harambe.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, I just got
I spoke too
Hanzo.
soon.
Take out the ape! Take out the ape! Oh no.
Oh, God.
He's
Take out
stick.
the grenade.
He's cock-blocked me.
Fuck off, Harambe. One,
Ignore
Brad.
this. Ignore me.
I'm
Ignore
coming,
me.
Harambe.
Ignore me.
Fuck off.
Oh god, Brad. You're like trying to hide.
Oh, okay. Well, don't worry about her.
It's alright, I distracted Bastion for a while. I was trying to live then, man!
Everyone's like, hey, let's play for the objective. Brad's like, no, this is Bastion here. I don't like him.
Did you just kill Bastion?
Felt
Yeah, I
a bit.
did.
How
Fuck
dare
you.
you? That's my that's
I don't
my
give a-
war.
Where's Hanzo? Hanzo's on the roof.
That class is dying.
Oh my word.
That class is...
Got him. Oh no,
Where is
I'm
he?
out.
Bastion is a tank!
No thanks.
Come on.
I'm lagging here. Woo! Woo!
Yeah,
Woo!
Gee, Hanzo, how come you get 2 dragons?
Did you get subscribed to yet?
no. I haven't streamed enough.
No! What? No, no!
Get the mercy.
Where's...
God damn, Brad, that took too long.
I know.
Not good enough.
Not the trap.
Mutter, mutter, you mean?
Butter.
No, no! Hey guys! Oh, we're going over here now. Killing this Bastion now.
Help, he's
In
bullying
my-
me. He's
in my
bullying me.
garage now.
Okay.
Oh god,
Here in my garage.
Through my garage to stop this Bastion.
He
Oh,
knows
Damn it.
where I
Oh, there's
am.
no way.
oh, you didn't, Brad. You did nothing.
Because of the fucking tranquility, maybe!
Wow.
That's not my problem.
Nice.
Thank you.
How do we have 100+ views? Because they're fucking awesome.
Dude, give some gameplay, bro. Oh,
Give us some gameplay. I'm not very good at
Yes!
gameplay, but
Oh, no.
I'm playing.
Fuck is
Come here,
gameplay?
fucking
We're streaming.
hell. Come here, bitch.
gameplay.
Oh.
Damn salty. Killing too many people. Who do you reckon will get play?
Yeah.
I think it's Veron. He got
I
a
think-
quad, I think. Didn't you?
Nah, it was only a triple.
Oh my goodness.
Oh!
Ooh,
Life's okay.
Oh, they're edgy.
Player games don't count if it's lifesaver.
get
Yeah.
that neon light.
That's just chance.
Did you like take crack?
Oh, you saved my life.
That's fucking what's going on.
Yeah, and then I
Reload.
here.
Hey man.
You need to learn.
Hey man, if it's not a Zilbrad play of the game, I'm happy.
Oh, the Genji. Who do we vote for?
Come on, man. I vote for myself. You gotta help me out, man.
Of
I
course you
voted
just
for
like-
Phil.
Unless you voted for yourself.
Phil needs votes.
Who voted for Phil?
I voted for Phil.
Someone thinks I've changed
I
my
felt sorry
main.
for
My
Phil.
main
Gotta keep
is
the legacy
Genji and
alive.
Bastion. Like, come on now.
Cute. They don't show it long enough.
No,
that
no.
She turns to him and rope
Don't be surprised. It was good.
Oh nice. Oh nice.
Shut up. Best Genji
I
player
that
will
ever.
vote for you only because you got the Hanzos.
And I killed him. So
because of my
that was
ult.
pretty good.
Oh, look at
Be
that
honest.
damage.
I just kind of
Oh god, who do I upvote? Brad or Bastion?
Brad or Bastion. Aren't they the same thing?
Oh, Schnickers.
You see, I do all this and I just don't ever get any more 5s ever.
Oh, I do all this and no one appreciates
Oh, I got a
it.
loot box.